Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as promised, we've got the second half of my brand collab today, but first let's go ahead and play our intro. Okay, so the second half of my collab, I kind of gave you a little sneak peek in the last one, but the second half is called the Nightmare palette, and it looks like this. It says behind you up here, very on theme with Nightmare, and this is the inside. You've got a dark gray, a silver, a black, and a red. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch the silver and the black because I already know I'm going to get questions about these two. So here is my hand, they're on my fingers, and we are just going to swatch them across. So if you can see there, the silver is very shiny, and the black, though not perfect, is super pigmented for a black and very, very easy to build up and also easy to go out of control, as I've learned many times. So this is the second half of my collab. Right after I posted my last video, they actually went on sale. So I'll leave the link down there again. If you want them, you can actually get both palettes for around $14 shipped, $10 in general before shipping, which is insane. So basically you can get this for $5 if you get the other one too. I don't know how much they are individually, but you can get them both for $10, which is crazy talk. So this is my palette. I'm so excited. This is like the dark and evil side of me, you know. So we have got this look that I created using all 4 shades, and keep on watching because here is your tutorial. Okay, so first I'm going to take Smoke right here on a fluffy brush, going in really light-handed, and I'm going to fluff this into my crease. It's going to be a little dark, but hopefully nothing too crazy. Since I'm only using this one palette, there won't be a transition shade. So this is what we've got, and we're just going to fluff it into the crease, blend it out, build it up just a little bit, but we do not want this shade to be too dark. So just like that. Okay, then I'm going to take a tiny bit of Blood Rose, same brush, a little bit lower down, just to give me a little hint of a red in this crease, but not making it completely red. So right there, just a little bit of red, but nothing too crazy yet. Okay, then I'm going to take a smaller brush, and literally this is so pigmented, so you cannot go crazy with this step. We're going to take Dead AF and take just a little bit on here, tap it off, and I'm going to stamp it in this outer corner just like so, and get just a little bit more so I can stamp it on the lid. Build it up, but not to a solid black, just to where it's dark. And then we're going to take our smaller brush we had and blend this to the inside to get rid of any harsh lines, and so that it makes a little more sense with what we have going on, like that. Okay, we're going to cut a little bit of a crease just with this concealer. Nothing too crazy. Y'all know the drill. I don't even have to show you, so I'm going to cut that real quick. Okay, so now we are going to take mirrors right here, and we are going to put this on a packing brush, my favorite one, And this is just going to go all over the lid like so, where we cut that crease. And this is only like a 3/4 cut crease ish, you know. Never do the whole lid, but we're just going to put this over here and look at that silver. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, so then, since we didn't really incorporate the red in a whole lot, we're going to take it on this pencil brush and we are going to drag this across the lower lash line, just like so, to really get that red incorporated into the look. With this, I prefer not to drag it down too far. I feel like way too much red almost makes me look like scary, kind of sick. So that's where we're going to leave that. I'm going to finish this one, liner, mascara, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so that was it for the tutorial. Here is your finished look. I didn't put any lashes on and I didn't do winged liner. I really want this eyeshadow to kind of stand alone. I love how pigmented this is. I don't know, I just live for it, which, you know, I help make it, so of course I do. But I think it is gorgeous. It is super on sale if you want to pick it up just because you love my name on it, or because you see how pigmented and how seriously good quality this is. Go ahead and grab it. Once it's gone, it is gone. But yeah, this has been the greatest thing ever. Like, having a collab this early, like I said last time, is just so surreal. And I think I have a couple more coming, which is even crazier. I can't even believe that this is happening already. So yeah, go ahead and snag up your palette. Once it's gone, it's gone. Get it now. Link is down there. You have to use code MOVETHATMAKeup and you get 65% off. That's what makes it so affordable right now. So yeah, be watching for my next video. I am going to combine both palettes, and what I'm going to do is do a quick little simple probably voiceover tutorial, and then I'm going to feature some of the looks that I have seen done with my palettes so far. Be sure, if you're doing looks with them, to tag me on Instagram. My name is @RealMakeupFlo. That is always in the description if you want to find me anywhere else. And if you tag me, you probably gonna get a shout out. I have some saved already that I absolutely love, and even some videos that have been done with unboxings and tutorials that I'm gonna share in the next video. So yeah, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed your short little tutorial Monday, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.